Hello, this is Michael Mantooth for my Doane University Chem 125 or General Chemistry 1 Advanced Concept Presentation number 4, where it's also called Fireproof Balloon or Balloon Test. Basically today we are going to be taking a balloon and making it fireproof by adding some water. So how this works is whenever you have a normal balloon and just fill it with air, whenever you introduce a heat source underneath it, the balloon itself starts to heat up and the particles will basically separate because of the heat and it will pop. But whenever you take a balloon, I'm going to use a white so that you can, hopefully we can see inside a little bit and see the water that's inside. But whenever you take a balloon filled with air and it has water in it, whenever you put the heat source under the water has a higher heat threshold and is a good conductor of heat. So basically what's going to happen is that the water inside the balloon on the bottom is going to absorb the heat that is being introduced to it on the bottom, and the balloon will not pop because all of the heat is being dispersed into the water that's in the balloon. So I'm going to start by inflating this balloon with just air. Now I'm going to put both water and air inside this one. Pretty big faucet. Let's see if I can get it on there. Yeah, sorry. Jeez. There we go. Okay. Filled up. So I've got my water in there. Oh my gosh. It has a hole in it. It's spewing water. It's got a very small hole with water coming out of it, but it'll still work. Okay, so I've got my heat source here, and let me move that over there. Okay. Basically, so whenever I introduce the heat source over the balloon without any water in it, there won't be any way to disperse the heat well. The balloon surface will heat up and it will melt, causing it to pop. So let's do that real quick. That's quick. Okay. And then this balloon has the water in it, as you can see. So whenever I introduce the heat source where the water will absorb and disperse that heat, and it will basically fireproof the balloon and keep it from popping. I think this is a torch lighter, so it's kind of still making some holes, but because it's a torch and it's really strong. But if I were to do it, the heat up here, the lighter's wet now. I don't think I'll be able to get it going because I got the lighter wet. Let me grab another lighter real quick. Might be able to show it a little better without the torch lighter. So if I put this on an area, see how it's not melting? It's starting to burn, but the water is absorbing the heat. So it's doing a good job. But then if I put it up here, it'll pop. And there we go. The torch lighter worked a little bit different because of how forced and focused it is. I think it melted parts of the balloon before the water could disperse the heat, which is why it started to leak a little bit. But whenever I got the normal lighter and did it, you could see where the balloon wasn't popping and it was just causing the burning on that surface, and the water was doing a good job of absorbing the heat. And then once moving it up to the top, it popped. So that was pretty cool, and it worked how I planned. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.